Cute little packaging fool you? This is not what you guys thinking. This is the Moonstar Professional Vitamin C Milkshake Facial Kit infused with kojic acid. It's a 9-step facial kit, starting it off with the first step, which is a cleanser, which removes all the dirt from the skin. Now, step 2 is the Power Glow Pack. Keep it for 10 minutes and rinse it off. At this point, I can clearly see the difference. Now, the third step is the face scrub, which will exfoliate the skin deeply and removes the dead skin cells. Fourth step comes with a massage cream, massaging your skin well. Fifth product is the serum, which calms your skin. Now comes one of the most unique products that I've ever seen. This is the algae mask. I'm mixing the algae powder with hydrogel, applying evenly on the skin, keeping it for 15 minutes. At this point, I look so funny, but yeah. Peeling it off is one of the most satisfying part of this whole process. This mask actually tightens your skin. And then moving forward with the eighth step, which is the Hydro Boosting Pack. It actually brightens and rejuvenates your skin, which is very important. And the last step is the SPF 50, which helps protecting your skin from the harmful UV rays. This is one of the best facial kits. So if you're worried about tanning, this is a facial kit I recommend.